Okay, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, guys. Second update for the day. I've been working really hard today, and we are about ready to test the front channel audio system for the studio. A little background, I got these Harbinger speakers about 3 years ago, and I have used them a total of 1 or 2 times. They are powered speakers. They both have individual inputs, and they are awesome, and they will be fed by a 7.2 receiver that has preamp outputs for the front, and that will be fed by the computer up front, by one of the video outputs on the video card. So we're ready to test the sound. Everything is connected. We're going to listen to some royalty-free music so I don't get copyrighted. And we are going to shut this door with no AC yet, and it's going to be really hot. One sec, guys. All right, sorry about that. It takes 2 hands to close the door. All right, let's test it. We're ready. So this is Purple Planet royalty-free audio. The phone is stereo, so you should hear the actual representation. First overall impressions of the room. It'll be much better when the sound is knocked down with foam. So we still have some reverb going on in here because of the lack of sound insulation. But all that will change, don't worry. They actually sound really good. They're turned down almost all the way. So those will be flying up in that corner. We'll have hooks into the studs there, and they will be flying from the top corner, angled down at you. And then the center channel will be in the ceiling. You'll have side surrounds there, and then rear surrounds back there for the ultimate surround sound studio. And we'll either have, most likely we're gonna have a futon right there for guests, and then 2 workstation setups here for guests if they want to sit. But that was a test of the front stage of the upcoming studio sound. I did get some more wiring done. I got the HDMI cables run for the second output of these monitors to feed a workstation if we want to. Same thing over here, got everything labeled really nicely. And now all we have to do is put the wall boxes in when we put the foam insulation up. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.